I say you nasty. You wanna fuck with a real nigga, so guarantee let's get up in these sheets. You say you wanna be Sarah J up in them sheets, so if you real nasty and you a milk, then you can fucking with me. Fucking with a nigga, get the speed up on my mind because a nigga had to be there. I ain't talking about the thriller of the Billie Jean, but guaranteed that son ain't my mind. Call it the Maury Show, man. About to take a DNA test, she wanna pop that. Say she wanna lock that, she say she wanna drop that. But guarantee when we up in the coupe, we drop top that. Guarantee when we up in the booth, we straight rock that. Nigga, what the fuck these niggas want from me? So guaranteed the nigga killing shit and DJ in the streets. So guaranteed I got your bitch up in the sheet. She blowing up my iPhone, saying she wanna see me. She said she wanna fuck with a G. Say he in the street. They say we know he got that LeBron. He took that heat. Say that nigga wanna fuck with me. She said he come to LA, he gon' get it. Call it Kobe 3, call it Kobe sin, call it Kobe Lynn. Nigga get so many groupies, bitches wanna be with me. Nigga, what the fuck you laughing about? I got a Wiz Khalifa. What the fuck these bitches want? Guaranteed I give them that horse, that seat donkey. Man, they wanna fuck with me, I'm straight monkey. But nigga call a nigga never bubbles, Michael Jackson on them. So what the fuck these bitches want from me? So guaranteed I hit the Hennessy or hit the bottle, be the mad dog. 2020 going off and guaranteed that 2020 drinking in the thirst take a clothes off. Say she wanna fuck with real niggas. She said she wanna fuck with niggas. We pulling trigger. And I ain't talking about the Trey song, but nigga got the Drake on. And when I drop a beat, them hoes claim me the Jason. Say the nigga stabbing shit. Say the nigga killing shit, nigga in the streets. Nigga say the nigga getting hot. What the fuck you talking about? If you fuck me, then guaranteed my son popping out. Bitches tryna set a nigga up. They wanna get a nigga quick, get a nigga rich. They say they wanna fuck a nigga career up. Nigga ain't tryna see them hoes and they tryna fuck with them. Can you get done? I mean my thumb is so I'm counting hundreds. I mean my thumb is so I'm counting hundreds. Nigga straight blunted. Nigga call me Daryl Monte, call it Montez. Guaranteed she catch the ball. And I ain't talking in the hands, I'm talking about her jaws. And guaranteed when I beat it up, I'm in her walls. So guaranteed she gon' Chris Brown and try to crawl. Back to love, back to shrugs. Gave me a Kanye, yeah, shoulder shrug. What the fuck these bitches want from me? So guaranteed killing shit up in the streets. And I tell her, oh, you got the best pussy. I wanna fuck with you like a pro, I never been a rookie. Gon' give me the Cookie Monster Elmo, yeah, they cookie. Guaranteed when you give me that cookie, call it nookie. But I ain't talking about the ATL. But guaranteed if she three-way, then I gotta tell. I gotta sell in the hotel. I mean the parking lot, but if you really freaky, you gon' bring it to the jail cell. Bitches, what the fuck? Bitches wanna be with a nigga, you're out of luck. Lost your chance on Instagram, I'm seeing you and your man. You wanna talk about how you happy, but at the same time you calling them up phone saying that you weren't happy.